Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek and today we are going to clean up the wheel hub. When I did my video of installing the spacers, I found out that my wheel hub had a little bit of rust on it. So today I'm going to show you how to clean that up. Nice. To do this job, you're going to need a few tools. But before you use the tool, the first thing you have to do is to remove your tire and wheel from the wheel hub. If you have spacers, like I do, right here, you also have to remove the spacers. So you're going to need wire brushes, but the tool that I've purchased is the one that you can adapt easily on a drill. So when you adapt on a drill, this is how the end product will look like. So I purchased two types. This one for the small areas and this one for the large area. Next thing you're going to need is pretty much an anti-seize lubricant, because that we're going to apply it so that it will prevent rust from happening in the future. Right? So let's go ahead and do this job. First, I'm going to start with the big wire brush and pretty much, clean up the area. So I have my drill is charged up and ready to go. Every now and then you have to change the rotation so that the wire brush fins just go in one direction. So that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I changed the wire hardware here to the small one, and I'm going to continue the cleanup. When the job is done, you can go use a normal brush to just clean up and remove all the dust from the wheel hub. And as you can see, it looks way different. It looks very good. There's still some area like here where I can really go ahead and remove, but I'm just gonna leave this way. I don't want to, remove too much. So this is good for me. It's definitely different than what it was before. Since we're cleaning everything, it makes sense to also clean the inside of the wheel hub area. This is the area that would touch the wheel hub that we just polished. So let's go ahead and clean this one up too. Use a brush to remove all the dust. Now it's time to apply the anti-seize onto the area that have usually corrosion. Okay, so if you have a wheel spacers, I will suggest, look at mine, I would suggest you to also, use a normal wire brush to clean it up. So just simply like that, because you don't want to bring any dirt into a clean area, right? But if you do not have a wheel spacer, just go ahead and mount your tire and you are done. So, but since I have a wheel spacer, I'll just go ahead and clean that up really quick. As you can see here, the area is very clean. I'm bringing you deeper so you can see exactly everything that I've done. So this is the finished product. Now if someone want to go too far, you know, you can also decide to clean this area, but nah, I decided not to. This is far enough good for me. Now I just have to put my spacer back and install my tire, and the job is done for this wheel. Alright guys, so you saw how I clean up the wheel hub area. Is a very simple job. So let me know if you have any comment about the process that I've done today, and also if you think that this is a job that you can do yourself. You know, any beginner, anybody can do this. It's very simple. You just need a few tools, and with the right tool you can always do any type of job. So thank you again guys for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and also make sure that you stay safe in this crazy time. Thank you.